Good evening, everyone. This is Tushar Anand from 99 Workouts. In 99 Workouts, we have featured very interesting people in the past episodes, and we have to feature someone who was very highly recommended by many. Let's see, she is a celebrity. You might have seen her in lot of shows on TV, and we have our guest, none other than Shweta. Shweta, so lovely having you on 99 Workouts. Just look at her. She's so awesome and so full of energy all the time. These are the kind of people I want to feature on 99 Workouts who take out time to be in the entertainment industry and come and be very active. She's always dancing and moving around, so let's have a small chat with you because our viewers want to really know how your daily routine is and how you're incorporating your personal fitness. So why don't we just grab something and make it very casual. You have a ball and seat here. Yeah, that's.
This will be for me.
Yeah. We have to make it very natural, guys. So that's Shweta for you. Shweta has featured on a lot of TV shows, and she's a very upcoming, model. She's an upcoming, I believe she's a scientist. I mean, I just came to know today in the morning, like she's halfway through being a scientist. So Shweta, tell me something about yourself.
So guys, I have been dancing when I was 3 years old. So for say past 20 years I have been into dancing. And yes, I have been doing my education into biotechnology. So I have also completed my masters in medical biotechnology.
Wow.
And also I am certified as a dietitian, and soon I will be certified as a wellness coach. So these are the things what I am going through right now. And I love to do these things, right? Like to explore science is the loveliest subject of my life. And again, to help people with fitness. And I think fitness is the basic thing, which anybody.
So tell me something. How important is personal fitness for you? Like, how do you incorporate during the day?
So for me, in case if you're asking about the fitness, for me, two things are basically important. As physical fitness is important, I think similarly mental fitness is important.
Right.
So equally I give importance for regular exercises and everything, but simultaneously I give importance for meditation and yoga.
Right.
So this is how I do. And looking at my body, I am not from that personality who has been gaining so much.
Right.
So I have been since once I was 15, 16. From that time only I was very conscious about my diet. So basically I didn't wanted any of the things to affect my body.
Right.
So I don't pay special attention towards my diet, but yes, what I do is what is important for me and what is beneficial and what is needed.
Right.
That is what I eat.
Right.
And yes, basic workouts, but then dancing is there obviously,
Right.
which is a part of my fitness. So I don't need to work so much for keeping myself that much maintained.
Right. So tell me something. You have dancing going on, and I believe you practice very late nights also.
Yeah,
and
absolutely. Yesterday I was practicing till 1:30.
Yeah, रात को 1:30 बजे तक कल डांस प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी और आज सुबह यहाँ पे अभी शाम के टाइम पे वापस आ गई है मेरे चैट शो में. And tell me something, Shweta. I mean, you're an inspiration to the young people. You've got science involved, you've got the mental thing going on, you've got the physical thing going on. So it's like a package, totally like a package. But tell me something, is dance you do it professionally or you're doing this for hobby purpose?
So basically dancing is in my blood. So my father is also a dancer.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So
tell me something about that. That's इनके पिताजी भी एक डांसर हैं. I mean, हम जानना चाहेंगे कि ये अद्भुत कॉम्बिनेशन है. Father and daughter. Tell me something about him, rather.
So he's the personality. Right now he's at his age of 56.
Okay.
And he started his dancing at the age of say 14, 13. And since that time he is into the dancing field.
Oh wow.
So when he must have got married, then I was there. So I have been watching him teaching others because he was the first personality in Pune who had an independent dance class.
So what style was it?
he was completely into break dancing. Then he used to dance on fire and glasses, tube lights, and everything. So he was completely into stunt dancing.
Wow.
After I was born, so later he shifted to taking classes and all. But then he was completely into stunt thing.
Right.
Like people used to come from so far away just to watch him doing all this thing. UV लाइट का जो एक्ट रहता है, फिर कांच पे जो हम डांस करते हैं या कांच खाते वक्त और रॉकेट एंड एवरीथिंग. So
So tell me something. He didn't pull you to
No.
assist him.
never.
Okay.
He was like he always wanted me to focus on my studies.
Right.
Because maybe somewhere in his life he has been giving art thing too much of importance.
Right.
And he said like in today's generation, yes, do it as a hobby, but make sure though it is your passion, make sure that you are not leaving your studies anywhere. And that was the only reason, like even after completing, even scoring so good marks in my 12th, 10th standard, I myself took decision of going into science.
Okay.
Then I wanted to be a doctor basically. But then I found that biotechnology is a kind of field where you have to research like every day. There are like so
Right.
many new things to do every single day. So then I decided to go for BSc Biotechnology from Ferguson, and then later I wanted medical term to be somewhere
Right.
around with
Right.
me, and then I did my masters into medical biotechnology.
Right. So you wanted to be called as Dr. Shweta something, right?
Soon it will be.
Yes, of course. What an amazing combination! Having dance coming from home. Her father has been so instrumental in getting her into dancing. But tell me something. What I feel is what he used to do was slightly dangerous. Do you think people are still doing that, that kind of thing, or do we just watch it on TV sometimes?
No, actually, it's like when my father used to do this kind of dancing. That time, Maharashtra government they had made a rule like this dancing is not allowed. So
Okay.
after few years he used to perform. उसके बाद में उन्होंने ऐसा decision लिया like नहीं, no, this has to be banned. So unless now you have IGT or any kind of dance show which
Right.
they have, like they want to show
Right.
kind of stunts.
Right.
So there only it's allowed. Otherwise, none of them
Okay.
they do right now, except the people that who used to that fire that.
Yes,
they
the
keep from
fire
inside
dance.
and,
Okay.
so fire dances. That's it.
Okay. Shweta has featured on TV on one of the prime channels, and she's been a finalist on a dance show this year, I believe.
Yeah,
Why don't you
2019.
tell our viewers something about it?
Okay. So guys, I was one of the finalists of Zee Yuva channel, Apsara Ali. This was the show which was a combination of Lavani and Western dancing.
Oh,
Like
wow.
if you know,
Yes.
Lavani is a folk dance from
Yes,
Maharashtra, from
yes.
Maharashtra. So when people used to do Lavani, and also people had different perceptions for that particular dance style. But today the world has completely changed.
Right.
पहले कोई और नजर से देखते थे.
Right.
अभी it's like
Right.
kind of too much different from what has to be done before.
Right.
तो ये जो शो था ना, it was like we used to do western dancing and Lavani, how we can merge it together. तो I have been doing like aerial act किया है मैंने,
Oh, wow.
solo aerial act किया है शो में. फिर मैंने सेगवे पे Lavani की है. So you must be knowing
Right,
Segway.
yes, of course.
Yeah,
It's
so
so
some
unstable.
first time in the world somebody has performed on Segway doing a Lavani.
Wow.
So this kind of stunts I have been doing. Like,
Guys, you need to watch this. Lavani on Segway, and aerial rope dance,
Yeah.
stunts. Please do watch that. I think you're all on your page as well,
So
right?
basically you have this app, Z5 app. So officially
Right.
we are not allowed to keep the
Right.
episodes with us. But then you can definitely go and watch on Z5.
Right.
See you Apsara.
But tell me something, Shweta. I recently watched one of the videos which you have choreographed.
Okay.
And it's really mind-blowing. Guys, I have watched it at least 5 to 7 times. And the concept, the entire thing was done by you, I believe. Like the
Yeah.
whole concept and, shot in such a fantastic place with local people. And why don't you tell us about this video?
The video which is going to come, like the
No, the one which
song
already,
video.
you did.
The song video or the dance video?
The dance video. I think you did it song or a dance video? One which is already
So
featured, the first one.
basically, the first one, that is Ghar More Pardes
Yes,
Kar
yes,
Rahe.
yes,
So
yes,
that
yes.
was a song choreographed by me basically. And yes, I wanted to do something after coming from Apsara Ali, and so I just wanted to do that. And except that, I have been soon, like this next year, that is by 2020, you will be getting an album which has been produced by me in the month of maybe March.
Oh, wow.
So that is what you have watched, but that actually has gone to the channel, so we won't be able to give more information about
Right.
that. But definitely that's a festive song, and it's related to Marathi and Maharashtra, so you people are going to love that.
So breaking news is already here. I don't have to say anything. The teaser is already out. So please wait and watch for her new videos, which will be coming soon. Shweta, thank you so much for coming on my 99 workouts. You've been a very good brand ambassador because you've got such a good combination of science, workouts, dance, everything combined so well. You know, and fitness and workout involves so much of science. You know. And I am sure that you're going to make it really big, and we'll be following you always.
Yes, and I need your blessings and your blessings.
Of course, everyone, please, being a Puneite, you have to support her and watch. She's one of the most wonderful soul I've, been around with. Whenever I message, this is so beautiful. The messages are, the response is so beautiful. It makes you feel so good. So thank you so much, Shweta, for featuring on 99
Thank you so much
Workouts.
for calling me on your channel and letting me talk about on
Right.
this particular topic. So,
Right.
thanks.
So that was Shweta, our celebrity guest on 99 Workouts. Guys, you have to hold your breath because very soon, in a couple of days, we're going to have another guest who's going to have another fitness journey, a very interesting fitness journey coming to you.